a tumbleweed go across the road. You see they're accumulating against the fence here. So that is the Old West, the Wild West is tumbleweeds. All right, here's a bubble bursting thought. Tumbleweeds are not native to North America. They're an invasive species. They are from the steppes of Central Europe, or Eastern Europe, I should say, the Russian steppes. They are referred to as Russian thistle. They are prolific in the way they spread their seed. Imagine if you tumble across the landscape and release seeds as you're tumbling, you're going to spread pretty quickly. That's its adaptation.